Good morning, Room 2, Kindergarten. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. Whew, Friday. That means you've had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and here we are, Friday. So 5 days of doing some homeschooling with your family. And then you'll have Saturday and Sunday, and those will be days where, well, depending on what your family is doing, you won't have videos from me. I added 2 new parts to our website. One is for math and one is for ELA, which means English Language Arts. That's reading and writing and word study. I added a challenge section for math and language arts. So if you're interested in trying a little challenge or doing a different activity, you can go all the way down the website past the videos and you'll see a couple challenge activities. And have your family help you, or you can try to read them on your own and follow those directions. All right, so let's go ahead and see what I have planned over here. We have first word study. We can always work harder on writing our letters neatly. And I know for a fact that Ms. Cantor, Mrs. Robinson, and Ms. Thomas all really work hard to make sure your letters are looking nice and neat. What if we surprise them? What if we come into first grade writing our letters neatly? What an amazing bucket-filling gift that could be for them, because then they can teach you a whole bunch of other things. They won't need to spend the time talking about the writing road. You'll already know it because you've been practicing. So for that, you will need lined paper. Lined paper with the writing road. And watch that video again. Please watch the video again about no floating, no flying, and no playing in the mud. Because you're going to check. You are going to check your work before you hand it to your family. That's right. You can actually check on your own before saying, "I'm done. Here you go. I'm done." Instead of doing that, look at it and say, "Am I done? Is there something I could do better?" There might be. All right, so you're going to write uppercase A, uppercase B, lowercase b, all the way through the alphabet until you get to uppercase Z and lowercase z. Today, I want you to write a thank you letter. Thank you. Say thank you to your family. Whoever the grown-ups are who are taking care of you, who are feeding you, who are making sure you're taking your bath when you're supposed to, making sure you're keeping the house nice and clean together, making sure, you're getting ready for first grade. Go down, look at the section. There's some instructions, step by step 1, 2, and 3 on what I want you to do for writing a letter. And then I want you to find that person, because they're probably inside your house with you, and you are going to read it to them. Then hand it to them as a gift. All right. And I want to throw a hug in there too, probably, and a big thank you. For reading, I want you to keep looking at Freckle. Almost the whole class is now reading from Freckle. I am working with the other kindergarten teachers, and we're figuring out other ways I can get some other books to you. But for now, let's keep using Freckle, please. I can also see what you're reading, so it's helpful to me. Okay. Math. You're going to play Flip It with a deck of cards. And if you don't have a deck of cards, just go ahead and write a whole bunch of different numbers on small pieces of paper, and you can use those. Numbers 1 up to 10. Now for the challenge on Flip It, you can actually play Flip It Subtraction. But can you subtract a smaller number from a larger number? Let's see, if I've got 5, can I subtract 2 from 5? Let's see, here's 5 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I take 2 of them away? How many am I going to take away? 2? Can I take 2 away? Yeah. 1, 2. There's 3 left. I can take a smaller number from a larger number. But can I take a larger number from a smaller number? I'll ask you that again. Can I subtract a large number from a small number? Let's pretend I've got 4. And the other number is 2. Now, can I subtract Can I actually subtract 4 from 2? Let's pretend I've got 2 cupcakes here. 1, 2, delicious cupcakes. Can I take 4 of them away? No, there's only 2 here. 1, 2, there's not 4. So when you play flip it, subtraction, you have to make sure you're subtracting the smaller number from the larger number. If somebody flips over a 9 and someone flips over a 5, what's the smaller number? 9 or 5? 9 or 5? 5. You have to subtract 5 from 9. Okay, it's a little trickier. You can keep playing Flip It Addition. You really need to know all of the numbers up to 20. And if those students who want that extra challenge, definitely try a Flip It Subtraction. And then go down there and go check out some of the challenge activities I put up there. There's just 2, but you can check out those challenge activities. All right, so here we are. What a week. So much work we've been doing. Thank you so much to the families who are sending writing. You are taking pictures and you're sending them to me. I get a really good idea of what we still need to work on when you can send me those pictures. Let's see. I want you to think. Why is it so important to be able to write? What is writing? Why do we do it? Why is it so important to practice writing our letters neatly? Why is it important to think hard about what we want to write about? What is writing? Writing is a way for people to talk to each other without using voices. Writing is, we call it communication. And when you can write, you can tell people things they've never thought of before. You can change people's minds. You can teach them how to do something. And you can really fill up their heart with love and happiness. Today, I want you to think about that when you're doing your writing, because that's what we're doing when we write a thank you note. We fill a bucket. Whose bucket are you going to fill today? And do you think your bucket will fill up? Pretty sure it will. All right, have a great Friday today, and I'll see you again on Monday with more videos.